Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking Savitar from Flash. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one might be a little bit complicated, but if you take it step by step, it's actually pretty easy to draw. So to begin, we're going to draw in this kind of bridge area right between the eyes. So we're just going to draw in a V shape. And then from the top here, we'll just slant up slightly. And then we're just gonna come down, just kind of angle it, and that's gonna be his eyes. Okay, so then from here, we're gonna draw in the rest of the face. So we're gonna come out from the eye here, just kind of come up. And then we're gonna slant it down. Just come back down with an arc. And then we're just gonna come all the way down. It's gonna be a pretty sharp chin. And just close it off. And then from here let's rough in the top part first. So right here in the middle, you make yourself a little mark, and then we're just gonna come up. So it's almost like another V shape, but just give it a little bit of a curve. Okay, and then from here, just draw like a really sharp angle. And then now we're gonna come down, just kind of come down and connect to that point there and just close everything off. Okay, and then now let's draw in to finish off the dome of the head. So you can just kind of come up, you can make a little point there if you want. Just give you some reference and just go across. Nice dome shape. Okay, and then for some little details here, we can add in maybe like a little spike here. So now let's add in the details to his face. So we can start out here on the side right below his eye. Just kind of come down and then go back out. So right here, come in and just go back out. So there's a lot of this little paneling going on. And then from here, we can draw in another one here. Just draw two lines. And then we can actually make a line right in the middle. And then from the corner of the eye, let's draw one curve. So it's gonna be symmetrical, so whatever you do on this side, draw it on the other side. So we're gonna curve this one from the corner here, just curve it out. Okay, so from here, add one little line here. And then we're just gonna draw a little V shape to the middle. And then for here, forehead, just draw two lines. And then from those two lines, we're just gonna curve it out. Okay, so lots of little details, but not too bad, right? Okay, so let's move on to the body. So right here, for his shoulders, slant down slightly. And then from the corner here, just come in, back to the middle. So we're drawing almost like a diamond shape. And then from here, just kind of slant down. And now we're just gonna curve it, pinch it all the way down to his waist. And then just one V shape down to the center to close it off. Okay, and then for some details right here on his neck, on his shoulder, just kind of draw in a sharp angle like this. You know, it's starting to get messy, but once we color, it's actually gonna look pretty cool. So then from here, you can come down, make a little point, and then we're just gonna draw one big arc, corner to corner. And then we're gonna come straight down. Let's divide that up. And then here in the middle, you can make yourself a little dot. We're gonna curve up slightly. Okay, and then we're gonna curve in, come back in, and then we're just gonna go out. Okay, let's finish up this whole body part first. So right here is easy. Just kind of draw a line slanting out. from here, slant out. And then for his rib cage here, 2 lines, and then just go out, and then just kind of curve it and connect that. Okay, so that's one, and then we're gonna draw another one down here. So 2 lines again, come out, curve, come out straight, and just curve it back to this. And then I'm gonna draw one more, 2 lines, out, curve. So this one's gonna be a little bit smaller. Okay, so that's pretty much the body detail. Now let's move on to his arm. So for his arm here, here's the armpit. So we're gonna draw one big curve coming down here. And then from the middle here, we're just gonna come across. So this is one of his shoulder pads. And then from here, we're gonna come in. Just close that. And then right here, we're gonna add a little bit of detail, a little bit of spike. And then here now for his biceps. So it's gonna be a little bit more angular. So just angle it like this. And then for this one, we're gonna start here, come down and just angle it back in. Okay, and then for here, now for his lower arm, so we're gonna come out, just gonna curve it in, out, curve it in, close it. Now for his fist, his thumb, here's the back of the palm, back of the fist, rest of the fingers coming in. And then right here, we're gonna add in a huge spike here. So on the back of his fist, it's gonna come out slightly, and then we're just gonna come down, and then we're just gonna go back up. Okay, and then for some detail here, this one's easy. We just add in a little sharp triangle in here, and then right here, just another spike. All right, so let's draw the other side, and it's gonna be pretty much the same. So again, here's the armpit. Curve out. So you can use the other side as a reference so you know how big to draw this. And then from the middle, we're just gonna connect that. Armpit, come down, go back up. Let's add in the little spike up here. And now for biceps, again, angle. It's almost like a diamond shape. And then lower arm, come out, curve it in, out, curve in, close it off. Here's his thumb. Again, use the other side for reference so you know how far down. Back of the fist, curve in. And then for the claw, just come out and then all the way down, curve. And just connect that. Okay, and then for a little detail here, just one little sharp triangle and a little spike. So yeah, a lot of little detail, but it's actually pretty easy, right? Not too bad. Definitely looks very cool. Okay, so let's draw in at the bottom here. Here's the hip area. We're just gonna extend it slightly. You can come down in the middle, make a little line. And then from this corner here, we're just gonna go back up. Okay. And we'll add in a little bit of detail, just add in 2 little slants like this. And then now for his legs, so we're gonna come down, just kind of be a little bit straighter. Come down, angle, and then we're gonna angle it back up, and then just connect that. And let's draw his knee first. So we're gonna come down slightly and just pinch it down to a point. Okay, so let's draw the other side. So it's gonna be the same thing. Come out, come in, down, slant up, close it off, extend these lines slightly, and then we're gonna close it off to a point. Okay, so now for his lower leg, so this one's should be easy. So this one we're just gonna slant out, curve in, close it off. And for his foot here, this one we're just gonna slant down like this, and this one we're gonna go out, curve it, just gonna give it a little bit of a straight edge, and then I'm just gonna close it. Alright, so let's draw on the other side before adding the details. So slant out, pinch it back in, close it, down, and this one's gonna go out more, close it. Okay, and then for his shoes, let's add a little bit of sole, and then right here, gonna go up and then across, and then another one, go up and across. So from the inside here, just kind of go up, straight across, up, straight across. Okay, and then let's see for the shin area right here. This one, from the point here, we just kind of go down. And then let's add a little detail here. We'll just add that. And then same thing here. Down. Another line. And then lastly, it's got some more detail on his legs here. So right here, just kind of go out. From this point, just go out. Okay, and then we're gonna draw from here. Another line. And right here, down, and let's go to the corner. From this corner, go straight down, and then we're gonna meet up to this corner. Okay, and then we're gonna draw in just a little bit of shape here. This is the glowing part. So it's almost like a rectangle. Okay, for some extra detail, if you want, we can add in a couple of lines here. And that is it for this awesome looking Savitar from Flash. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.